Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to manage you can comment on your Instagram story. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Instagram has a new feature where you can now leave comments on stories. This change makes it easier for people to talk about the short videos and pictures that disappear after a day. Before you could only send a private message about stories, now your comment can be seen by others who view the story. It's like commenting on regular Instagram posts, but for stories. And in this video, I will show you how to manage you can comment on your Instagram story. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on your profile. You can see here's my story. There's someone comment on my story like this, and now I will manage who can comment on my story. You can tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down. You'll find on the how other can interact with you section, there is an option comment. You can tap on that, and who can comment on stories, you can tap on stories. By default, it's set to people you follow or everyone. If you don't want anyone can see, can comment on your story, you can just choose on off. So the comment feature on your story will be turned off. But if you want everyone, for people you follow and who don't follow you, everyone on Instagram can comment on your story, you can just tap on, choose on everyone. But if you only want people you follow, you can just choose on people you follow. It's so simple, right? So that is how to manage you can comment on your Instagram story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!